In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Clay together with Google Sheets. And it's a super simple process, so stay tuned throughout this video and I'll show you how you can go about connecting Clay to Google Sheets super fast. Essentially, the first thing that you need to have in place is obviously a Clay table, which I'm sure you could manage for yourself. And essentially, all we need to do after that is just click on Actions in the top right-hand corner and type in Google Sheets. You should see that a lot of different enrichments pop up, but the enrichment that you should care about the most is the lookup, add, or update row, because this enrichment gives you the most versatility and it will avoid and minimize any sort of bugs that you get in the process of integrating Clay together with Google Sheets. So all you need to do is click into this Google Sheets lookup, add, or update row enrichment, click into it, and over here, if you click on manage accounts, you should then be able to click over here on add connection and sign in with your Google account so that you can basically connect your account to Google Sheets. As soon as you're done with that, what you would need to do is create a Google Sheet completely from scratch. So for instance, in my case over here, I'm just going to create a quick Google Sheet and call it test. And in the meantime, I'm just going to type in some headers here for the specific data that I want to be passed through into this spreadsheet. So in this case, I'm going to put job title, location, and job listing URL. Let's imagine those are the only three fields that we care about. After that, all I'm going to do is just copy and paste the URL of this Google Sheet. So just copy and paste the URL from the very top over here. Head back into the Clay table, and over here on the right hand side, I'm going to copy and paste the spreadsheet URL at the top over here. I'm going to select the first sheet because that's the first tab, and I'm going to look up a specific column in this case. And I'm going to look up a specific column. This honestly doesn't matter which column it is. For the time being, we can make it something that's super easy to identify, like the job listing URL, and the lookup value will be the job listing URL from over here from the Clay table. Now, on top of that, it's up to you what you want to do over here, but I would suggest that you add a row if no existing rows are found. So let's tick this, and update row if an existing row is found as well. So you can tick this as well. And essentially, within just a couple of seconds, all you will see is that it now populates those fields from the spreadsheet inside of this enrichment. So all we need to do is just use the backslash to basically transfer any sort of data. So let me just show you quickly. I'm just going to do job title, location, job listing URL, and then the same thing over here at the bottom, because basically the top three that we've just updated was because at the very start over here, we're adding row values, and specifically this is us creating new rows. But if, for instance, this job has been updated since it's been posted, then we need to update the spreadsheet as well. In which case over here, we're just basically, we need to map the same values all over again. And we're just doing that really quickly over here. As soon as you're happy with it, just click on save and run 10 rows. And you should be able to see that within just a couple of seconds, the first thing they will do is it will just look up the spreadsheet to see if that job already exists in that spreadsheet, in which case it wouldn't create a new row for it. But in cases where the job does not yet exist, of course, it will just say new row added. And if we just have a look over here, it now adds this data automatically for us. So the sales role, the location, and the job listing URL. Now, on top of that, with something like job data, I'm sure you're familiar with how to do this already. But if you're not, at the end of this video, I'll be looping another video showing you how you can set up this exact automation that helps you to stay on top of every single new job listing so that you can automatically update the spreadsheet as soon as new jobs get listed on a daily basis inside of clay.com. If you enjoyed this video and it was useful in any way whatsoever, consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure to like this video if you watch it this far, and do leave a comment requesting some other videos that are preferably Clay related, because I genuinely enjoy shooting these kind of videos as soon as I discover new different funky enrichment. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll make sure to link a video right after this that will show you how you can find job data super fast inside of clay.com completely for free. So I'll see you in that video.